Welcome to part 2. We just got done eating at Rainforest. Did you want to have a look at the animals first before you leave?
If you want to.
I actually want to. So, like I said, this wasn't here when I last came here, but these are actually some tigers. This used to be like a waterfall. It looks really cool, actually. Looks like one of the tigers from Detroit Tigers, actually, when you look at them. And then there are some elephants over there. There's a big jaguar up there. And then last time I came here, there was a elephant, and they're still here. Oh my god. Apparently, I remember these guys. I got a picture in front of them the last time. And what? Oh my god, that fish is huge. That one right there. Look at him. He looks like he's waving a fin at you. He's like, sup, bro? Like PewDiePie. Sup, bros? And then there's the rest of the gorillas and everything. That kind of reminds me of Dory and Bubbles from Finding Nemo. Remember that one scene, like she's just panicking, and then she just keeps sings. What was it? Just keep swimming. And I forgot to tell you, there's a crocodile outside this restaurant. No kidding, there really is. It is. Where is it? I don't remember where it is. Crap. Oh yeah, I remember now. Yep, this way. And the crocodile is supposed to be somewhere outside the restaurant, actually. Oh, now I see him. There he is. The huge crocodile. I told you there was a huge crocodile here. He's just sitting there, right there. So that is it for Rainforest Cafe. Next, we're gonna go to Disney Store and FYE. Should be that way.
Okay.